What if I told you something surprising? Building muscle after 75 is still possible. Yes, even now. Many people believe strength disappears with age. They assume muscle loss is permanent. But that belief is not entirely true. In fact, many seniors today are stronger in their 70s and 80s than they were in their 50s. And the reason might surprise you. It is not an extreme workout program. It is not a risky supplement. Sometimes the change begins with something much simpler. Daily habits. Small decisions. The choices you make every single day. One of the most powerful of those choices is nutrition. What you eat plays a major role in how your body ages, especially when it comes to muscle strength. Today we're going to talk about something many people overlook. A fruit. That is often included in healthy plant-based meals. A fruit that may help support balanced nutrition for older adults. But before we talk about that fruit, there's something important you need to understand. No single food builds muscle by itself. There is no magical ingredient. There is no miracle shortcut. Real strength comes from a combination of habits, nutrition, movement, recovery. When these three things work together, the body responds, even later in life, even after 70, even after 75. Welcome to VitaSignal 60. This channel is dedicated to helping adults over 60 stay healthy, strong, and active. We share simple tips about nutrition, fitness, and healthy aging. If you care about your long-term health, consider subscribing. Daily, we share new insights to support strength and longevity. Now let's start with something important. Why does muscle loss happen as we age? After the age of 60, the body begins to change gradually. Muscle mass slowly begins to decline. Health experts often call this age-related muscle loss. This process happens naturally, but the speed of muscle loss varies from person to person. Some people remain strong well into their 70s and 80s. Others begin losing strength much earlier. Why does this difference exist? Often it comes down to lifestyle habits, daily movement, nutrition, sleep, overall health. When muscles are not used regularly, they weaken. When protein intake is too low, muscle repair slows. And when activity levels decrease, the body adapts to a lower level of strength. This is why many seniors notice subtle changes. Standing up from a chair requires more effort. Walking long distances becomes tiring. Carrying groceries feels heavier than before. These experiences are common, but they are not always unavoidable. The body has an incredible ability to adapt. Even later in life, muscles can still respond to the right support. That support comes from two powerful habits, nutrition and movement. Next, we'll dive deeper into nutrition, explore the surprising fruit, jackfruit, and show how plant-based meals can help seniors maintain muscle. Let's begin with nutrition. Protein plays a key role in muscle health. It helps muscles repair after activity and maintain strength. Most people immediately think of protein from animal foods, meat, fish, eggs, or dairy. These foods provide protein, but plant-based foods also contribute valuable nutrients. This brings us to the fruit we mentioned earlier, jackfruit. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit with a slightly fibrous texture. Because of this texture, it is often used in savory meals and plant-based recipes. Jackfruit itself is not extremely high in protein. However, it works very well in balanced meals, combined with beans, lentils, quinoa, or tofu. When combined, these foods provide a broader range of nutrients. Many people enjoy the flavor and the texture. And for some seniors, plant-based meals can be easier to digest than heavy meat meals. Remember, the real benefit comes from overall dietary balance. Healthy aging usually happens when people eat a wide variety of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, legumes, healthy fats. Together, these nutrients support energy, mobility, and overall wellness. Let's look at an example. Robert is a 78-year-old retired teacher. Several years ago, he noticed changes in his strength. Walking became harder. Daily tasks required more effort. Instead of accepting the decline, he made small changes. Light strength exercises at home, improved meals, more whole foods, vegetables, legumes, and sometimes jackfruit with beans and quinoa. After several months, Robert noticed improvements. More energy, easier walks, feeling stronger during exercise. Every person's experience is different, but examples like this demonstrate something important. Small lifestyle changes can create meaningful improvements. The real secret to muscle health after 75 comes down to 3 simple habits. Consistent protein intake helps maintain muscle. Regular movement. Muscles grow stronger when challenged safely. Recovery, sleep and rest allow the body to repair and rebuild. When these habits work together, the body responds. Strength can improve. Energy can increase. Mobility can improve. Aging does not automatically mean weakness. Strength is influenced by daily choices. Nutrition matters. Movement matters. Consistency matters. Small habits practiced every day shape long-term health. You do not need perfection, only progress. Progress week after week, month after month, year after year. If you found this helpful, support the channel. More tips on healthy aging. Because healthy aging is possible, and it begins with simple daily choices.